Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to build an ETL pipeline to collect current weather data using Apache Airflow on a local Ubuntu WSL setup. Now, you might be wondering, why not use AWS EC2? Well, the AWS free tier just isn't enough for what we want to do. So instead of hitting those usage limits, we're taking things local with a WSL environment on Ubuntu. It's efficient, cost-free, and perfect for development and testing. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, is installed. If not, here's how to set it up. Open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. This installs WSL along with the default Ubuntu distribution. After installation, restart your computer and launch Ubuntu from the Start menu. Once Ubuntu is set up, we begin inside the Ubuntu terminal. First, let's run this code and you will have to enter your credentials. Next up, let's get Python 3.10 and the required build tools installed. Just follow along, we'll run a few simple commands to get everything set up. And don't worry about copying everything from the screen, all the commands and code snippets are neatly listed in the video description below, so you can refer to them anytime. Now let's set up the Airflow project directory. Start by creating a dedicated project folder, followed by setting up a virtual environment using Python 3.10. This ensures a clean and isolated environment for all dependencies. Run the following commands. Once the virtual environment is active, it's time to install Airflow and apply the necessary configurations. The Airflow_home environment variable will be set, and Apache Airflow 2.7.2 will be installed using the official constraints file. After that, the Airflow database will be initialized, and an admin user will be created to complete the setup process. To begin running Airflow, the scheduler and web server are started in separate terminals. In the first terminal, the scheduler is launched using the following command. Next, let's open a new terminal to start the web server, allowing access to the Airflow UI. Next, we need to create a new DAG file in the Airflow DAGs directory to define the ETL pipeline. The DAG code will include extract, transform, and load tasks that interact with the OpenWeatherMap API. The DAG code is available in the description, and you can copy it from there. Once the code is added to the file, save it by pressing Ctrl+O, then press Enter. Finally, use Ctrl+X to exit and return to the terminal. Here, you can see the DAG code already in place. Once it's added, the file is saved and ready for use. Next, we navigate to HTTP localhost 8080 to access the Airflow UI. Inside the interface, the Weather ETL DAG is located and enabled by clicking the toggle switch. By clicking Active tab, we can see whether the created DAG file is active. To monitor execution, we open the DAG and go to either Graph View or Tree View. Here, the tasks Extract Weather Data and Transform Weather Data are displayed. As the DAG runs, each task changes color to indicate its status: green for success, red for failure, and gray if it hasn't run yet. Clicking on any task allows us to view detailed logs. The DAG can be triggered manually or left to run on its scheduled interval. Finally, the output file is verified to ensure that the weather data has been stored correctly, confirming that the ETL pipeline executed successfully. And that's the Weather ETL pipeline built with Apache Airflow on WSL. Thanks for watching.